Mr. Quayson was seeking to halt his trial, arguing that the High Court got it wrong when it refused a request for prosecutors to be compelled to provide certain documents they had failed to disclose. Attorney General Godfred Yeboah-Dame had told the court his office had supplied all documents to the legislator. He pointed the court to correspondence between his office and the MP's legal team, showing that documents in their possession had been examined. Lawyers for Mr. Quayson, however, disagreed. They insisted the Attorney General cannot refer to those correspondence since they had not even filed an appropriate response. The High Court disagreed with this view, causing the MP's legal team to head to the Supreme Court. Mr. Quayson's lawyer, Justin Teriwaja, urged the Apex Court to set aside the decision of the High Court. He insisted by relying on the correspondence, it meant the High Court used evidence not properly presented to it. The Attorney General disagreed. He first pointed out that even the processes filed was irregular in that Mr. Teriwaja swore an oath and signed the current processes filed at the Supreme Court without showing that he had the authority of the MP to do so. Additionally, he pointed out that the MP's legal team were given the chance to argue out the matter extensively and address the court and the correspondence. The Supreme Court ruled that the High Court committed no error of law. The Chief Justice Gertrude Tokonu had earlier expressed concern regarding what she says is the conduct of the Asin North MP. She pointed out that despite filing court processes, he failed to show up more often than not and allows his lawyers to swear statements on his behalf. The Chief Justice said such conduct was irregular and should not be encouraged. On the trial of the minority leader Dr. Atoforsen, Court of Appeal Judge Efiasewa Asaribotwe has been given a green light to continue handling the case. Businessman Richard Gyakye, who is standing trial alongside the minority leader, had petitioned the Chief Justice alleging the judge was biased. The Chief Justice dismissed the petition, but the minority leader's team has urged the judge to recuse herself, leveling their own allegations of bias. They say the judge had threatened to cause the arrest of their witnesses and close the leader's case should he fail to get witnesses to come to court. The Attorney General disagreed with this view and the court has set October 12 to deal with the matter.